Hi, little scholars! Are you ready for an exciting alphabet adventure? Today, we're starting with the first 5 letters of the alphabet. Letters A, B, C, D, and E. Let's discover their sounds and some awesome words that begin with them. Come along and have fun learning with us. First up, we have the letter A. A is for apple, alligator, and ambulance. Say A. Now your turn. A is for nice job. A is for apple, alligator, and ambulance. Next up is B. B is for ball, bird, and boat. Say B. It's your turn. B is for awesome. B is for ball, bird, and boat. Here comes the letter C. C is for cat, cookie, and car. Say C. Now you try it. C is for you are amazing. C is for cat, cookie, and car. And now we have the letter D. D is for dog, dice, and doctor. Say D. Let's hear you try it. D is for excellent. D is for dog, dice, and doctor. Next is the letter E. E is for elephant, egg, and elf. Say E. Now your turn. E is for awesome job. E is for elephant, egg, and elf. Awesome work, little scholars. You did a great job learning the letters A, B, C, D, and E. Keep practicing and have fun with your letters. Be sure to watch our other videos to learn all the other letters of the alphabet. See you next time. Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.